Historically, people have thought of Query Manager as just an operational type reporting tool. It in fact is much more than that. The ecosystem is evolving and you're going to more and more systems, whether it's Employee Central, workforce software for time, or different types of payroll systems. Query Manager can help guide you there in that journey. It's much more than just operational reporting, in which it still does. It also does hybrid reporting across all of these different landscapes and systems. It's an analytics tool in the fact that we expose your data and let you consume that in your analytics platform of choice, something like SAP Analytics Cloud or Power BI. We allow you to do document distribution in professional PDF documents with DocuSign integrated. We have developed a web app that allows you to consume this via Fiori app right from your phone, tablet, or browser. We've also even developed an Excel app. For folks who still use Excel, we have Query Manager directly in Excel that you can access, run reports from, and view your results right in Excel. So you can schedule those reports, come in the morning, simply hit a refresh, and then you have that fresh data set right on your desktop within Excel. It's very simple, very easy to use, and you can typically build a report in under 5 minutes.